Who thought, eh? $549 for a pair of headphones in a bra case. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Oais, and today we're going to be unboxing the Silver Apple AirPods Max. I'm excited to try them out and unbox them. I've heard great things from other reviewers, but are they worth £549? Let's find out. On the front you have AirPods Max. On the back you have AirPods Max with small case. So I went and ordered every color, but only received 3, so I'll make another video when I've got the rest in hand. These are pretty heavy headphones. This band feels meshy and nice, and the case, well, it looks like a handbag. Kind of weird. You get some booklets, but you don't get an Apple sticker. And of course, we have the Lightning to USB-C cable. These are so cold. The metal of the headphones is actually legit cold to the touch. I'm not gonna lie, I do like the feel. I've got a good indication from what I've heard that these are going to be good for traveling, podcasts, and for those who really enjoy their music with style. But man, these feel and look amazing. I'm really obsessed with the silver. Okay, here's the true test. Let's put them on my head. Oh my God, it's so quiet. It's freakishly very quiet. What I like about these is that they are low profile, and you know what, I can't even feel this mesh band on top of my head. It's weird. It feels really nice. Right, it's detected the AirPod Max. Connect. Press and hold the button to switch between noise cancellation. Press the digital crown once to play, pause twice to skip forward, and 3 times to skip back. Turn to adjust the volume. And you can do the same from the control center as well, which is pretty cool. Spatial sound. Hear immersive 3-dimensional audio from supported videos that follows the movement of your phone. Right, see in here how it works. So this is stereo sound. Rotate your head left and right. Okay, I'm going to do spatial sound now. Wow. Right. Duh. I've never experienced what I just heard. What? Guys, I don't even know how to explain it to guys. That was amazing. I've never literally heard anything like that ever in my life. That is amazing. Okay, so let's talk about why these are worth $549 and what makes them special. I'm going to go for 5 different things. Number 1, these are constructed from metal. The headphones cup are made from aluminum and the frame is stainless steel. Number 2, both the ear cushions are detachable, which is pretty smart. You can mix and match the colors if you like for $69 on top of $549 you just sort of spent on these AirPods Max, which is crazy. It's just Apple-like, really, isn't it? Number 3, the case. I mean, come on guys, what do you want me to say? Number 4, the smooth telescopic arms. This is amazing feel. There's 9 microphones for active cancellation and transparency mode. You get a bunch of other smart features such as spatial sound for cinema-like sound that just surrounds you, which is what I experienced earlier on. Adaptive EQ, audio sharing with other Apple users, Apple H1 chip in each ear cup, and the instant pairing that we saw earlier on. I was watching some reviews and some people had concern that there isn't a button to actually switch these off. But I also saw that when you pop them in the case, they go into like a low power mode and then they go into a ultra low power mode. Apple didn't design something that isn't smart enough to know that they aren't being used, right? Because I'm not always going to be carrying this purse around with me. So I hope they're smart enough. These are far from cheap in both the price and the quality. But hey, I got them, and what does that say about me, you know? If you like the video, then make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and definitely share the video. It bloody helps. Thanks for watching. Peace.